Hey, what's up, everybody? I just got this iRobot vacuum called the Coredy. I got this in the mail the other day, and I wanted to do a demonstration video to give you all just an idea of what it does. So I have it plugged in right here in my kitchen, and it comes with this remote control that you're able to control it with, and it has a lot of different features on it. I like it a lot. And let's go ahead and give it a go and see how it works. So I'm gonna press auto and let it go for a spin. So I'm kind of controlling it right now to come out of the kitchen area so I can I'll give it a go on the carpet. There we go. Oh. So I can get it come back around this way. Come on. There we go. There we go. Like I just picked up something. And yeah, it's doing really well so far. I like it a lot. So I have these mats in the kitchen too, and I noticed how it just kind of rides up on over it without any problems. And this is the Coredy R750, so it has the ability to sweep, vacuum, and mop also. So right now I just have it doing this sweep vacuum, and yeah, I like it. It's great. I give it a 10. Again, this is just a little demonstration video, and if you're watching, hopefully this motivates you to get one too. All right. Have a good one.